The task was to build the LEGO Mindstorms robot and program its sensors to perform actions. 2 different codes were made, each using the sonar, light and touch sensor. The following code is for the robot to complete the Grand Challenge simulation. The code starts with a while loop, which will continue until the conditions are met. Here, motor B and motor C will run at full speed until the button on the touch sensor is pressed. Once pressed, the robot will reverse at 75% speed for 1,500 milliseconds, which is 1.5 seconds. Next, motor B turns off while motor C is running, and this happens for 1,400 milliseconds, allowing the robot to perform an approximate 90-degree turn to the right. The timer then gets cleared, making sure that it is set at 0 seconds. Then, while the timer is less than 10,450 milliseconds, the robot will perform a check. This check is done by using a while loop to keep turning right until a line is picked up. Once a line is picked up, it will then proceed to turn left until there is no line. This process continues until 10,450 milliseconds have passed. Once the process has finished, the robot will drive forward at 100% speed for 3,100 milliseconds. The timer gets cleared again and then follows the same pattern as before, except this time for 15,800 milliseconds. Once the timer is finished, the robot will turn towards the right. By turning off motor B and running motor C at 85% speed for 1,000 milliseconds, the robot will turn off both motors, making it pause for 2,000 milliseconds. The robot then calls on the sonar sensor through a while loop. The robot will continue to drive at 100% speed until an obstacle is 20 centimeters in front of it. The robot then reverses at 75% speed for 2,000 milliseconds. Motor C turns off and motor B runs at 75% speed, allowing the robot to turn to the left. Same process then repeats again. The robot travels forwards at 100% speed until an obstacle appears 20 centimeters in front of it. It then reverses back at 75% speed for 1,400 milliseconds and turns left. From here, the light sensor is called on again through the while loop, only this time it will repeat the following steps forever as its condition is always true. While the sensor picks up no light, it will turn to the right. While the sensor picks up light, it will turn to the left. We'll now run the simulation for this code.